Velosi, as a globally recognized training provider, offers a comprehensive range of specialized courses in certified technical training, exam preparatory, HSE, training in oil and gas field, ISO, mechanical training, electrical training, Mobius, Cert Nexus, food safety courses, digital transformation courses, administrative and business-related skills. We strive to share our practical knowledge and skills with our delegates to help them implement industry-best safety practices. This ensures that Velosi is confident in its ability to deliver world-class training around the world. Our latest learning tool and technology extensively thrives in assisting our delegates to sharpen their knowledge and support them for the next phase of their careers, whether as a professional or as owners of their businesses. A suite of broad-scoped online training courses is designed to meet the evolving training needs of today's professionals, delivered right through the convenience of learning, and led by subject matter experts with substantial experience in providing online professional development and innovative learning approaches. Velosi courses can be deployed virtually through online collaboration, including hands-on technical training, interactive labs, and troubleshooting exercises. At Velosi, our most valuable asset is our experienced trainers, who are specialists in their fields and can customize the curriculum to the unique needs of our clients. Our training and education service has various international accreditations, recognitions, and associations to meet worldwide. Velosi Training Institute. Get ready to advance your career with us.